Hey there, homeowners! Ready to take your cleaning game to the next level? Let's dive into the top 5 must-have cleaning gadgets for every home. All gadgets on Amazon, link in the description below. Imagine a world where your floors are always spotless without you lifting a finger. Robot vacuum cleaners are a game changer. These little robots navigate around your home, keeping your floors clean and dust-free. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Next up, the cordless stick vacuum. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to freedom. Lightweight and powerful, these vacuums are perfect for quick cleanups and reaching those tricky spots. Plus, they're super easy to store. Let's talk about deep cleaning. The steam mop uses the power of steam to sanitize and clean your floors with no harsh chemicals needed. It's perfect for homes with pets and kids. Just glide it across your floors and let the steam do the work. If you thought the robot vacuum was cool, wait until you see the multi-surface cleaning robot. This gadget tackles different surfaces, from floors to windows and more. It's the ultimate helper for a spotless home. For all the pet owners out there, this one is a lifesaver. The self-cleaning litter box does the dirty work for you. It automatically sifts through the litter, keeping it clean and odor-free. Your furry friends will thank you. And there you have it. 5 must-have cleaning gadgets for every home. Don't forget, all gadgets are available on Amazon. Link in the description below. Happy cleaning!